what's up guys? Welcome back to AiZen Tools. Today I want to show you Flova.ai because it is positioning itself like a personal AI film studio, and the big reason right now is the Seedance 2.0 launch with built-in skills for scripting, editing, and visual direction all in one workflow. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share in the comments which AI you want me to review after this one. When you land inside Flova, the whole vibe is everyone can be a director. And it actually makes sense once you see the structure. You are not just typing a prompt and praying. You start a project, you can choose a model, you can choose a skill workflow, and you can build your assets like a real production pipeline. This is where Flova gets interesting, because the goal is not one random clip. The goal is repeatable shots that belong to the same world. The process starts with writing a clear and structured prompt. Instead of asking for a simple video, you define the visual style, the mood, and the pacing of the scenes. You can describe how each shot should feel and even guide the camera movement, like going from a wide shot to a close-up and then to a detail shot. This level of direction helps the AI understand the cinematic flow you're aiming for and gives consistency to the final result. Once the prompt is submitted, Flova begins by generating images rather than jumping directly into video. After the images are generated, you have full control to refine them. You can edit specific details, adjust the composition, or even regenerate entirely new versions using ChatGPT Image 2. This allows you to fix anything that doesn't match your vision without having to restart the whole process, making the workflow both flexible and efficient. With your images ready, you can then transform them into video using Seedance 2.0. This step brings motion into your scenes, adds smooth transitions, and can include sound effects to enhance the overall quality. Because the structure was already defined in the prompt, the resulting video maintains a cinematic rhythm and feels cohesive. Finally, all the generated assets can be assembled into a complete story. You can arrange the clips, fine-tune the timing, and build a unified sequence. At this stage, you also have the option to add background music and voiceover to strengthen the narrative and give the video a more polished and professional finish. So, what makes Seedance 2.0 special inside Flova beyond the hype? First is end-to-end direction. The workflow is basically script logic, design assets, then final video output, all inside the same place. That means you are not bouncing between 5 tools and trying to keep everything consistent manually. Second is the length barrier. A lot of tools feel capped at short clips, but the whole promise here is that Seedance 2.0 breaks the 15-second limitation per shot, and with Flova you can build longer continuous sequences like 60 seconds, 90 seconds or more, while keeping the narrative flow stable. For creators, this is huge, because YouTube audiences do not want a slideshow of disconnected clips. They want a scene that breathes. Finally, export matters. If your workflow ends inside the generator, you are stuck. Flova pushes the idea that you export high-quality assets ready for CapCut or Premiere Pro, so you can do proper editing, pacing, sound design, and final polish like a pro. Flova provides a range of built-in skills designed to guide the type of content you want to create. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can choose from different categories like cinematic storytelling, narrative videos, or more. In this case, I go through the available options and select the product commercial skill. After that, I write and paste my prompt, making sure to describe the product, the style, and the type of shots I want. Then I choose the Seedance 2.0 model for video generation. For the image generation part, I let the AI decide the best model to use between ChatGPT Image 2 and Nano Banana Pro. This allows Flova to optimize the results automatically without needing to manually test different options. Once everything is set, I let Flova generate the assets. It starts by creating the images based on the prompt, which act as the foundation of the commercial. These visuals can be reviewed and adjusted if needed before moving forward. After that, the images are turned into video sequences using Seedance 2.0, adding motion, transitions, and audio elements. And finally, Flova offers a quick generator for images, videos, and even voiceover creation. I just paste my prompt, select Seedance 2.0 as my model, fine-tune the aspect ratio, and hit generate. And then the generation is complete, a high-quality video is ready, like finishing one of my CNC machining stories from start to finish. The part comes out perfect, gets assembled into an aircraft, everything looks flawless. And then of course, it's the same aircraft that somehow ends up exploding. If you want to try Flova.ai, use my link in the description to get 200 free credits, and new subscribers can get a 100% extra bonus credits on their first plan. If you are serious about making consistent AI videos that feel directed, not random, this is the kind of all-in-one setup that actually saves time.